Here I'm going to walk you through a bird dog. Now the bird dog is a little more challenging than it looks because we're using a lot of core stability here to keep our bodies from twisting or rotating. So we want to get on all fours like so. So our knees should be in line with our hips here. I'm going to slide a little bit here. So shoulders in line with wrists. So here, I'm going to have you inhale. As you exhale, you're going to extend the right arm and the left leg, so opposites. And then hold for 10 seconds before coming back down. Inhale. And then I'm also going to have you add in that pelvic floor contraction as well. So inhale, exhale, pelvic floor contraction. You're going to come up, hold for 10 seconds. So we're not coming all the way out here. We're just staying in line with our body and come back. Again, inhale and exhale. And there you go, your bird dog.